Brow Bar by Reema is here to refresh your brow routine with the Bombshell Brow Serum. The Bombshell Brow Serum is a lash and brow enhancer. It is very lightweight and all natural. It is made from 100% castor oil and pure rose extract, which is going to give it a beautiful scent that lingers all day long. I truly love the scent and I wish you could smell it right now. The serum enhances the growth of brow hairs and lashes. It nourishes the roots of the hairs and has anti-aging effects as well as nourishing your skin. I use this serum every day after cleaning my skin as I normally would, making sure there's no makeup residue before applying. Gently roll the product onto your brows and lashes and make sure that it fully dries before continuing the rest of your skincare routine. Repeat daily so that your lashes and brows grow beautifully. Let's refresh our brow routine and get the fullest, thickest brows and lashes that we've ever had with the Bombshell Brow Serum.